What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Behind me, a car that people have asked us to make an exhaust for quite some time now. The B58 does truly reign supreme, whether it's the X3 M40i, this M240 with the B58, or the M340i as well. You know Valvetronic Designs is coming at you with the best exhaust solutions for the platform. Come take a look underneath here, and I'll show you a little bit of the development of this new system. From all the things that we've learned on the M340i platform from the huge success of that car with the Valvetronic Designs exhaust, running the system 3.5 inches unrestricted all the way up to the Y section, and then it runs unrestricted all the way back to where your pneumatic valves are on this platform. Large center muffler here that is quad chambered so that you get really nice quiet sound. So you get a lot of intake noise and you get a lot of that induction, but the car remains super quiet, so you've got a really nice dynamic experience with this exhaust. We know a lot of people have always done muffler deletes on these M240i's, and they're hugely potent with the B58, but this is the exhaust solution for you. We got bigger piping than OEM, so more performance, better sound dynamics, and of course, huge flexibility with the valve rear section. In this video today, we're gonna show you the entire sound characteristics. This car is running the OEM downpipe. We're gonna do startup. We're gonna move the car around in the shop here to get it out. We're gonna do some revs. We're gonna do some flybys, high-speed accelerations, launch control, put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and interior clips so you guys can truly understand what this M240i sounds like. The G42, in my head, it's the perfect exhaust solution for these cars, and I think you guys will definitely agree. Let's get to the sound. All right, guys, we're inside the G42 M240i now. You heard some outside exterior clips. This thing has such a unique sound characteristic. It's actually a little bit more unique and flavorful than the G20 M340i. It's very, very unique sound characteristics with this full exhaust system. You get nice overrun sound when you come off throttle, and inside the car here, it sounds amazing. I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can listen to the interior experience of how good this thing sounds.